90 days program of one of a distribution company here in the Philippines. There are 4 products under this program, but today I will only be discussing to you guys the burn tablet, okay? So just a short story about myself. I started gaining weight when I was in 4th year high school, and since then I can no longer control my eating habit. When I started college here in Manila, I gained weight rapidly. And I tried different slimming teas, but unfortunately, I end up having bad stomach aches and uncontrolled bowels. So my friends even told me that I cannot do anything about it anymore because it is my normal build. But everything changed when I met this burn tablet. So what is burn tablet? So this is the burn tablet here with me, okay? So this burn tablet is actually a supplement. The burn means burn under right nutrition, and under this burn program, they have 4 products. But since this video is specifically for this burn tablet, so today I will only be talking all about burn tablet. Okay, so let's start. So burn tablet is a special supplement that uses environmentally and body-friendly ingredients that work in synergy to effectively burn the excess fat in our body. Okay, this product gathered some of the most effective and safe ingredients for weight loss, such as Garcinia cambogia. We all heard about that thing. And then green tree extract, L-carnitine, white kidney bean, linoleic acid to give us a fast result to our weight per list. Okay, so let me just read what's behind this box. So this one, you can see it. So anyway, let me just read it. So the recommendation is take at least 1 to 3 tablets daily. Well, it depends on your body mass, okay? So BMI. And then supplement fat serving, anyways. And these are what's written behind this box. We have calories, carbohydrates. Anyway, I will just post it on this video, okay? So let us talk about the main ingredients of this product and what are the benefits of its ingredients. Okay, we all heard about Garcinia cambogia extract, okay? So this what do you call this? Garcinia cambogia extract. So this Garcinia cambogia extract is a powerful appetite suppressant and prevents fat storage in our body, okay? It also improves heart's health, resolves gastric issues if you had those problems, positive stimulant for the brain, okay? And aside from that, we also have the green tea extract, helps maintain body weight, excellent drink for diabetic, okay, regulates blood pressure, very good source of antioxidants, anti-stress, and increases brain activity. So aside from that, we also have the L-carnitine. It aids in weight loss, important ingredient in energy production, improves mental performance and cognitive ability. And the last one is the white kidney bean extract. It helps reduce bad cholesterol, helps stabilize blood sugar, excellent source of iron, improves memory, excellent source of antioxidant, energy booster, helps lower heart attack risk. So those are the main ingredients of this burn tablet. How are you going to take this product? You can take 1 to 3 capsules a day. Depends on your BMI. Take it 30 minutes before meal or 2 hours after meal. For me, I actually took 6 capsules a day on my first, second months. and I was too desperate, which is not really good, okay? So do not do not try doing that, okay? What are the things that I have experienced the first week I took this product? Well, first I had mild headaches. I became thirsty, so I made sure that I always have a bottle of water with me, and I had problem with my menstruation. Maybe because of me being so desperate, and I took 6 capsules a day. So I don't think those are side effects. I just think that those things are healing manifestation, because anything that are alien, when it comes alien in our body, so our body really needs to adjust to that specific product, okay? So don't get, when you try to take this product, don't get nervous or don't be afraid. If you're feeling those things, it's pretty normal, okay? Aside from those things, I didn't experience anything unusual, and these things are pretty normal, as I said earlier, okay? And these are called healing manifestation, okay? So before we continue, I just want you to see, guys, my whole transformation from how I look like before and after taking this product. So let's take a look. Product, I wanted to tone up, so I decided to start working out, and right now I'm aiming for 6-pack just before this year, and so cross fingers. I'm still taking the product. Am I still taking the product? Yes. But right now, I only take 1 capsule a day, or sometimes I only take if I have eaten too much, just to maintain my figure. From 60 kilograms, now I only weigh 48 kilograms. So congratulations for me. And I am still working very hard to achieve the ideal weight for my height, which is 45 kilograms. So I will keep you guys posted. So please, please, please tune in, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the most important question: how much does it cost? Okay, for this retail pack, this has 10 capsules inside. Okay, so it only costs you 450 pesos. But if you want to take it seriously, you can buy the 30 capsules, which is 1,200 pesos only. So I don't think it's that costly. Well, if you are so desperate to have that figure, to have your body shred, so you have to spend money for it. Okay, so what I really like about this product is that for us people who have experienced overweight, well, number one that we cannot give up is the food intake. So the cravings for all those weights, for all those pizzas, pasta, rice, more especially rice here in the Philippines, we cannot eat without rice. So that's one thing I cannot give up. And okay, so number two, I cannot give time for exercise. So we also hate that doing exercise, most especially if you're a busy person, you work 8 hours a day. I don't think you will still have a time to exercise. So when I met this burn tablet, the reason why I started working out, because I want to tone up. Okay, even though I am becoming slim, the problem is that I don't really like how my skin looks like, because it's like it's sag, okay, it's sagging. So I decided to work out here at home. You don't have to go to gym to do workout. So from that point of time when I decided to do workout until now, I am still doing it religiously. Okay, religiously. So what this burn tablet did to me is that, number one, it stopped my cravings on food, because it will make you feel always full. Okay, so you're not hungry most of the time. You will never be hungry most of the time. And then it loses my appetite. So from the day I started taking this product, I lose my appetite, I lose my cravings. So instead of controlling yourself with this food, this burn tablet will be the one to control you from taking those unwanted sugar, unwanted fat, and unwanted carbohydrates. Okay, and aside from that, even though I wasn't doing my exercise that time, still it burned my fat, my extra fat, really fast. Okay, so that's what I want for this. That's what I want from this product. Okay, that's what I really want from this product, because without burn tablet, I am not sure how I look like. How will I look like today? I may be, I may be still overweight, and we don't want to be overweight. I am not shaming anyone or slamming anyone. It's just that we all want to be healthy, and we all want to look good all the time. So if you guys, if you're the type of person who is really decided to lose weight, I think you should really try this burn tablet. Okay, I even tried to research this product, and I have seen a lot of foreigners writing about this burn. Okay, and just in addition to what I have discussed, this burn tablet is actually manufactured by Wader, and we all know that when it comes to bodybuilding, when it comes to health wise, Wader is #1 company when it comes to dietary supplements and building muscles. Okay, so you should take that one to account. Okay, and that's it. I just hope that you will try this product, and I am not promoting it for something else. It's just that it's effective for me, so why not try it to see for yourself how effective this product is. Okay, I'm happy with my weight. I'm happy with my body right now. Though I really, really want to tone up. And I want to lose this fat on my arms. We don't want this fat. But anyway, I just hope that this video will help you realize how effective this product is. But for you to be sure, you have to take it, try it for yourself, and see it for yourself, okay? So have a wonderful and healthy living, guys, and I am here for you, and I hope that you will also work out with me. You can check my video about my 10-minute abs workout. And that's all. Thank you, guys. Bye.